model, 2020 Mercedes-Benz Vito 111 pure CDI 6-speed manual, very long MOT, Euro 6 no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 156211. MOT, the 6th of February 2026. Engine, 1598 CCOM 622 114 HP E6A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.